It is Inktober day 18 and I wanted to try a different style of video today. I could definitely feel my energy being a bit lower for the last couple of days, but not really in a bad way. I think it's just that the first 2 weeks were really crazy and stressful, and you could definitely see it in my videos. So I just want to try out different things, and I'm really shit at voiceover, so I need to practice it. Yeah. And I think that this style of video is a bit more laid back and relaxed, so I just wanted to give this a go and see if this is something that I might do in the future. So let me know what you think and which style of video you prefer. And I think it's actually funny that I decided to do this relaxing sort of video today. I wasn't really as relaxed because today was the first day where I really had no idea what I should do for the prompt. When I looked at the list this morning and saw the word misfit, for some reason I just decided that I want to do something cute. And I think that that was a bad decision actually, because I was already limiting myself to just this one theme. And I had a really difficult time just to come up with anything. And in the back of my mind, I just kept thinking that I'm running out of daylight, so I just had to settle for something and just start. So then the drawing process continued to be just as frustrating because I wasn't happy with the idea. I don't know why I decided I wanted to draw these cat people, because I sometimes draw these animal people, but really not that often, and I haven't done it in quite a bit, so I didn't really know how I should do it, and they just weren't coming out as cute as I wanted to. But I think once I accepted that, okay, this isn't going to be the best thing that you've ever done, and that's fine. And as soon as I started to see it more as a doodle, I got a little more into it. And I also don't know why I always decide to fill up a whole page. I mean, this isn't really a requirement, so for the next 2 days I will definitely try to do something a bit smaller, but I think this is it, and I'm just going to cut everything into a nice effortless looking time-lapse and turn up the music a bit so you can enjoy the rest of the video without me going on and on. So yeah, see you at the end. No need, you're free. No ties, no price, no need, you're free. Okay, so this is it, and I hope you enjoyed this. I also hope that you enjoyed the different style of video. Yeah, as I said, I just wanted to try dog barking. Also for the next 2 days I'm gonna upload some very short videos because my boyfriend comes back and I just want to spend the whole weekend with him, so I'm gonna do some As soon as I start to talk into the camera, people just run out of their flats, dogs are barking, kids are yelling. So I'm gonna do smaller drawings and shorter videos just so I can do the whole drawing and filming a lot quicker and spend a lot of time with my boyfriend. And maybe drive to a different city or something and just have a walk, go grab something to eat. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, maybe I can go to an art supply shop. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this, and see you tomorrow. Bye!